Welcome to Exploring Color in Foods. Get ready to discover a world full of bright colors with delicious food. Let's begin. Now, come and see what we have here. Look, it's a yummy bowl of tomato soup. Red tomato soup. Let's see what's next. It's a crunchy carrot. Orange carrot. Up next is a refreshing lemonade. Yellow lemonade. The next one is it's a dish of healthy salad. Green salad. Moving on to the next food. It's a cup of delicious blueberry smoothie. Blue blueberry smoothie. Up next is it's a round-shaped eggplant. Purple eggplant. Let's see what's next. It's a glass of creamy strawberry yogurt. Pink strawberry yogurt. The next one is a piece of rich chocolate cake. Brown chocolate cake. Up next is a plate of cuttlefish ink pasta. Black cuttlefish ink pasta. Finally, this is the last one. It's a creamy vanilla ice cream. White vanilla ice cream. Everyone, let's recap the colors we learned today. Could you repeat after me? Ready? Red tomato soup. Orange carrot. Yellow lemonade. Green salad. Blue blueberry smoothie. Purple eggplant. Pink strawberry yogurt. Brown chocolate cake. Black cuttlefish ink pasta. White vanilla ice cream. Great job. Now, it's time for a colorful food challenge. I'll show you a dish and you tell me its color. Are you ready? Let's have some fun. Great job. Thank you for joining me on this colorful food adventure. If you enjoyed learning about colors and foods, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. See you next time.
Welcome to Exploring 10 Colors. Today, our goal is to learn 10 different colors. Let's begin now. Our first color is red. Look at this juicy red apple. Red. Red. Now, let's move on to the color orange. Look at this bright orange. 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 Up next is the color yellow. Look at this banana. Yellow. Yellow. Now let's explore the color green. Look at these fresh green grapes. Green. Green. We are moving on to the color blue. Look at these tiny blueberries. Blue. Blue. Let's discover the color purple. Look at this lovely purple plum. Purple. Purple. Now, let's explore the color pink. Look at this pretty pink peach. Pink. Pink. Next is the color brown. Look at this kiwi skin. Brown. Brown. Now, let's discover the color black. Look at these blackberries. Black. Black. Finally, let's learn about the color white. Let's look inside this coconut. White. White. Great job, everyone! Let's recap the 10 colors we learned today. I will mention each color, and I want you to say the word for that color out loud. Ready? Go. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. Pink. Brown. Black. White. Amazing work. Now it's time for some fun. Let's play a color recognition game. I will show you a fruit, and you tell me its color. Are you ready? Let's get started. If you enjoyed learning about colors and fruits, remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. See you next time. Goodbye.
Welcome to Exploring Colours and Shapes. Today our goal is to learn 10 different colours and shapes. Are you ready? Let's start now. Heart. Heart. Red heart. Red heart. Square. Square. Orange square. Orange square. Star. Star. Yellow star. Yellow star. Rectangle. Rectangle. Green rectangle. Green rectangle. Oval. Oval. Blue oval. Blue oval. Pentagon. Pentagon. Purple pentagon. Purple pentagon. Hexagon. Hexagon. Pink hexagon. Pink hexagon. Octagon. Octagon. Brown octagon. Brown octagon. Triangle. Triangle. Black triangle. Black triangle. Circle. Circle. White circle. White circle. Great job, everyone. Let's recap the 10 colours and shapes we learned today. Ready? Go. Red heart. Orange square. Yellow star. Green rectangle. Blue oval. Purple pentagon. Pink hexagon. Brown octagon. Black triangle. White circle. Now, it's time for some fun. Let's play a colour recognition game. I'll show you a shape and you tell me its colour. Are you ready? Let's get started. Well done! If you enjoyed learning about colours and shapes, remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. See you next time.